right, good morning. That was a quick cold start of the 4.8 liter V8 of our Porsche Panamera. So now that it is, as you can see there, temperatures and everything, getting up to temperature. Let's go through and just have this nice and tidy. So all of the screens here and the information provided. So 34,609 miles right now. The configurable screen there. We just put on the navigation, just show you where you are. Elsewhere in this lovely Luxor beige interior with wood trim on the dash, door panels, center console here, and there you go along the top and bottom of the multifunction steering wheel. You have the controls for that configurable screen there, and then other phone and accessibility functions. You have your PDK controls here. It is equipped with Porsche a 7-speed at this point. I know that the later ones are 8 speeds, but my guess would probably be 7 for this model year. So left and right, you can either push or pull them either side. Both can control upshifts and downshifts, or you have the gear selector here, which you can, let me put the brake over this way, and you can go forward and back for shifting up and down, kind of like a sequential shifter in a race car. Although the way Porsche has it, pushing up for upshifts and down for downshifts would be the opposite of most sequential race cars, where you are pulling to engage the next gear and pushing to downshift into a corner and all that stuff. But either way, you can control the gearbox that way, or just leave it on its own. It is a wonderful gearbox and has only gotten better throughout the years. So other convenient options in this particular Panamera are found all throughout this center console here. So you have Sport and Sport Plus that will, liven the car a little bit, modify the transmission programming to make it a little bit more aggressive. It'll hold revs higher and, overall just make it a bit of a more, performance-focused driving experience. But leave it as it is. It'll just be a nice, smooth, refined ride, but entirely configurable to your liking. There are the suspension options there. Flip the wing up, show that you are a serious driver. You have heated and ventilated seats for whatever time of year that is most appropriate. You have all of your climate controls and the various zones that it will target, or just leave it in auto. And then your hazards, your defrosters, air conditioning controls, your temperatures for each side of the cabin. And then you have your infotainment controls here for the radio, navigation, and other assorted menus that are all housed in this lovely and clear screen there. Other than that, everything should be pretty well documented in the listing. You have your sunroof here. All the controls for that are there. And then your lighting controls, built-in radar detector, your window and mirror controls, And Sport Chrono up there, the clock / lap timer. That should just about cover everything that there is to this Porsche Panamera. If you have any additional questions, if there's anything not covered in any of our videos or the listing itself, please feel free to drop a comment and we'd be happy to help. So thank you for watching and good luck in the auction.